Today is my topic from organic chemistry from Pradeep book Organometallic Compounds. Introduction. Organic compound in which a metal atom is linked directly to a carbon atom are called organometallic compounds. A large number of metal, example lithium, sodium, magnesium, zinc, mercury, lead, cadmium, etc., form such compounds. The organic part is generally an alkyl, alkenyl, alkynyl, or an aryl group. They are named simply by adding the name of the metal to the name of the organic group linked to the metal. For example, methyl lithium, ethyl magnesium, phenyl lithium, N-butyl lithium, dimethyl cadmium, diethyl mercury, diethyl zinc, tetraethyl lead. The carbon metal bond in organic metallic compound differs widely, varying from bond which are essentially ionic to those which are largely covalent. Thus, the extent of the ionic or polar character of the bond is largely determined by the electropositive nature of the metal. More electropositive the metal, more is the ionic character of the carbon metal bond. In general, the ionic character of the carbon metal bond follow the sequence. The reactivity of organometallic compound also depend upon the nature of carbon metal bond. Generally, the larger the ionic character of carbon metal bond, more reactive is the organometallic compound. However, compounds having intermediate ionic character are of greater importance because of their lower reactivity and selective nature of their reactant. Organometallic compounds are extremely useful for the synthesis of a vast variety of organic compounds. Apart from these, many of the organometallic compounds are commercially important as well as, for example, tetraethyl lead is extensively employed as an anti-knock compound. Organotin compounds are used as antioxidant in rubber products. Phenyl mercury acetate is used as a fungicide and disinfectant, and organoarsenic compounds are used in medicines. Organomagnesium compound Grignard reagent. Organomagnesium halides are extremely important reagent in synthetic organic chemistry. These reagents are commonly known as Grignard reagent after the name of the discoverer Victor Grignard, who received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1912 for this discovery. The general formula for Grignard reagent is RMGX or ARMGX, where R represent an alkyl group and AR represent an aryl group. Preparation. Grignard reagents are prepared in the laboratory by the action of alkyl or an aryl halide, preferably bromide or iodide or magnesium metal turnings in dry ether. Alkyl halide reacting with magnesium in the presence of dry ether give alkyl magnesium halide. Methyl iodide react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether give methyl magnesium iodide. Besides ether, tetrahydrofuran, dioxane, dimethoxyethane, or dimethyl ether of diethylene glycol, diglyme, tertiary amine, etc., can also be used as solvent. In fact, THF is considered to be the best solvent since it increases the reactivity of an alkyl or aryl halides towards magnesium. It is because of this reason that the Grignard reagent of less reactive aryl and vinyl halide, which are difficult to prepare in ether, are prepared in THF. Bromobenzene react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether give phenyl magnesium bromide. Chlorobenzene react with magnesium in the presence of tetrahydrofuran give phenyl magnesium chloride. Vinyl chloride react with magnesium in the presence of tetrahydrofuran on heat give vinyl magnesium chloride. Further, it has been found that for a given alkyl group, the ease of formation of Grignard reagent is of the order iodide is greater than bromide is greater than chloride. The alkyl or aryl magnesium fluoride are however unknown. For a given halogen atom, the order of reactivity is CH3x is greater than C2H5x is greater than C3H7x, etc. That is, the formation of Grignard reagent become increasingly difficult with increase in the number of carbon atom in the alkyl group. The use of tertiary alkyl iodide is avoided since they readily lose a molecule of hydrogen iodide to form an alkene. Tertiary alkyl chloride may then be used. Procedure for the preparation of Grignard reagent. Alkyl or aryl halide is added slowly to a perfectly clean and dry flask containing dry magnesium turnings covered by a layer of absolutely dry ether or tetrahydrofuran. The reaction mixture is warmed a little when an exothermic reaction should soon start. If the reaction does not start within 5 minutes, a few crystals of iodine are added and the reaction mixture is warmed a little. A vigorous reaction soon sets in and magnesium gradually dissolves, forming a cloudy solution of Grignard reagent. Precautions in the preparation of Grignard reagent. During the preparation of Grignard reagent, the following precautions must be observed. First, the apparatus should be perfectly dry and protected from moisture by using a calcium chloride guard tube. All the reagent and solvent, that is alkyl and aryl halide, magnesium metal, and ether must be absolutely dry. Ether used as a solvent must be completely free from alcohol. This can be done by first washing ether several times with water, followed by drying over anhydrous calcium chloride for 1 to 2 days, and subsequent distillation over sodium. An atmosphere of dry nitrogen free from oxygen and carbon dioxide should be maintained throughout the course of the reaction. These precautions are necessary since Grignard reagents are decomposed by moisture, water, and react with oxygen and carbon dioxide to form alcohol and carboxylic acid respectively. The ethereal solution of Grignard reagent thus obtained is generally used as such for various reactions by adding to it the other reagent. Mechanism. The mechanism of the formation of Grignard reagent is still not certain. According to Gomberg and Beckmann 1930, the reaction commences with the formation of small amount of magnesium halide and then proceed by a free radical mechanism. Rx plus Mg plus Xr give Rr plus Mgx2. This mechanism also elegantly explains the initiating effect of iodine, which may be ascribed to the formation of magnesium iodide from magnesium and iodine. Structure of Grignard reagent. The structure of Grignard reagent has not been finally settled so far. The recent research has shown that the actual structure varies with the particular Grignard reagent and the solvent used for its preparation. Grignard and Blaise observed that evaporation of ethereal solution of Grignard reagent resulted in a white solid having the composition RMgX C2H52O. They suggested that ether molecules were present as ether of crystallization. X-ray analysis of these etherates suggested that the four groups are arranged tetrahedrally as shown in the formula. Thus, formula 1 suggests that ether does not merely provide a medium for the reaction, but it also helps to dissolve the Grignard reagent formed due to solvation by ether molecule. This is supported by the observation that Grignard reagents can be prepared even in benzene solution in the presence of a tertiary amine which coordinate with magnesium like ether and thus dissolve it. Further, Formula One show the Grignard reagent in the monomeric form, but physical studies have revealed that Grignard reagent exists as 1:1 complex of a dialkyl or diaryl magnesium and magnesium halide coordinated with molecules of ether. These two species are held together by halogen bridges as shown in the formula second. However, for the sake of convenience, the formula RMgX has been used to represent alkyl magnesium halide in the text. Reactions of Grignard reagent. The carbon-magnesium bond in Grignard reagent is highly polar due to large electronegativity difference between carbon and magnesium. Consequently, due to greater electron density around carbon, the alkyl group in Grignard reagent can act as a carbanion or a nucleophile. That is, it can attack any electron deficient center in other molecule. In other words, Grignard reagents chiefly undergo nucleophilic substitution or nucleophilic addition reaction. That is, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Grignard reagents react with compound containing an active hydrogen or halogen atom. All such reactions involve the nucleophilic attack of the alkyl group of the Grignard reagent on the electron deficient center as shown below. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Grignard reagent react with compound having a multiple bond to form addition product which when hydrolyzed yield a vast variety of compound. In all such reactions, the addition of nucleophilic group of RMgX R occurs at the more electropositive end and that of the MgX group at the more electronegative atom of the multiple bond. Thus, synthetic use of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents serve as extremely valuable starting material for the synthesis of vast variety of organic compounds. They have attained a position in synthetic organic chemistry unrivaled by any other class of compound. To illustrate this, some important synthetic applications of Grignard reagent are described below. Alkanes. By the action of active hydrogen containing compound, active hydrogen containing compounds such as water, alcohol, thiol, carboxylic acid, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, amines, terminal alkyne, etc. React with Grignard reagent to form an alkane corresponding to the alkyl or the aryl group of the Grignard reagent. Methyl magnesium iodide react with water to give methane. Since methane is evolved quantitatively when CH3MgI is treated with a compound containing active hydrogen, therefore these reactions can be used for estimation of water, ammonia hydroxide, amide group in organic compound. This method employed is called Jervito method. Aryl magnesium halide also behave in similar manner. Phenyl magnesium bromide react with water to give benzene. By action with reactive alkyl halide, Grignard reagent react with reactive alkyl halides such as T-butyl chloride, benzyl chloride, etc. to form alkane. Grignard reagent plus alkyl halide give alkane plus MgX2. Ethyl bromide react with benzyl chloride in the presence of dry ether give 1-phenyl propane plus MgClBr. Second, alkene. Grignard reagent being weak nucleophile do not react with simple alkyl halide. However, compounds containing more reactive halogens such as allyl iodide etc. react with them giving alkenes. For example, alkyl iodide react with magnesium iodide give 1-butene. Alkyne Grignard reagent react with terminal alkyne forming alkynyl Grignard reagent which upon treatment with alkyl halide give higher alkynes. For example, propyne react with methyl magnesium iodide give propynyl magnesium iodide plus methane. Primary alcohol. By action with ethylene oxide followed by hydrolysis, Grignard reagent react with ethylene oxide to form addition product which on hydrolysis with dilute hydrochloric acid form primary alcohol containing 2 carbon atoms more than the alkyl halide. Ethylene, ethylene oxide plus Grignard reagent give addition product further react with water give 1 degree alcohol. By action of with formaldehyde followed by acid hydrolysis when treated with formaldehyde, Grignard reagent forms an adduct with on hydrolysis with dilute hydrochloric acid give primary alcohol. Formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent give addition product on further hydrolysis give 1 degree alcohol plus MgOH. By action with oxygen, primary alcohol are formed by passing dry oxygen through the solution of Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis of the resulting addition product. Secondary alcohol. By action with aldehyde other than formaldehyde followed by acid hydrolysis. Acetaldehyde in the presence of CH3MgI gives addition product and on further hydrolysis give isopropyl alcohol secondary alcohol. Acetaldehyde in the presence of methyl C6H5MgBr give addition product and further hydrolysis give 1-phenyl ethanol. B. By treating an excess of Grignard reagent with ethyl formate, the reaction take place in 2 steps. Grignard reagent first react with ethyl formate to form an aldehyde which in turn react with another molecule of Grignard reagent to yield an adduct which form a secondary alcohol on hydrolysis. Ethyl formate in the react with Grignard reagent give addition product which is unstable on further reaction give aldehyde. 6. Tertiary alcohol. By action with ketone followed by hydrolysis, ketone on react with Grignard reagent give addition product on further hydrolysis give 3-degree alcohol. Second, a tertiary alcohol having at least 2 similar alkyl group. Formation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol. By action with formaldehyde. Formaldehyde react with alkyl lithium in the presence of hexane give addition product on further hydrolysis give primary alcohol. Like Grignard reagent, alkyl lithium compound also react with ethylene oxide to form primary alcohol containing 2 carbon atom more than the starting alkyl aryl halide. secondary alcohol by the action with aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Acetaldehyde react with alkyl lithium in the presence of hexane, give addition product on further hydrolysis, give isopropyl alcohol. Tertiary alcohol by action with ketone. Acetone react with methyl lithium, give hexane on for give addition product on further hydrolysis, give tertiary butyl alcohol. Formation of ether by action with a monochloroether. Monochloromethyl ether react with chloro react with methyl lithium, give on the presence of hexane, give ethyl methyl ether. Formation of aldehyde by action with ethyl orthoformate on or hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide react with methyl lithium in the presence of hexane, give addition product on further hydrolysis, give acetaldehyde plus ammonia plus lithium hydroxide. Formation of ketone by action with an orthoester other than orthoformic ester or alkyl cyanide. Ethyl form orthoacetate react with hexane, give addition product on further hydrolysis, give acetone plus C2H5OH. Formation of nitrile by action with cyanogen chloride, methyl lithium react with cyanogen chloride in the presence of hexane, give acetonitrile plus lithium chloride. First reaction with alkyl halide. Alkyl lithium react with alkyl halide to form alkane. Reaction with aryl halide. Aryl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction by elimination, addition or Benzene mechanism. Reaction with heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction by bimolecular displacement mechanism. Pyridine react with pyridine, give nucleophilic aromatic substitution, give 2-phenylpyridine. Second difference from Grignard reagent. Organolithium compound being more reactive than Grignard reagent undergoes some additional reaction as discussed below. Action with carbon dioxide. Grignard reagent yield carboxylic acid with carbon dioxide while organolithium compound yield ketones. This difference is due to the reason that organolithium compounds are more strongly nucleophilic than Grignard reagent and thus react further with intermediate resonance stabilized carboxylate ion giving ketone. Second, action with carboxylic acid. Alkyl lithium compound react with carboxylic acid yielding ketones as the main product. Grignard reagent on the other hand give alkanes or arenes corresponding to the alkyl or the aryl group of the Grignard reagent. Addition to the carbon-carbon double bond. Unlike Grignard reagent, organolithium compound add to the simple alkene to give mixture of compound. The addition occur at high pressure. For example, formation of tertiary alcohol. Organolithium compound being more nucleophilic and smaller in size than the corresponding Grignard reagent add to the sterically hindered ketone to form sterically hindered tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent on the other hand do not give such addition reaction. For example, isopropyl lithium add to diisopropyl ketone to yield triisopropyl carbinol. Isopropyl lithium react with diisopropyl ketone in the presence of dry hexane give triisopropyl carbinol. In contrast, when isopropyl magnesium bromide is added to diisopropyl ketone, the expected tertiary alcohol is not formed. Instead, reduction of ketone by Grignard reagent occur to give diisopropyl carbinol and propylene. Fifth, reaction with alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Organolithium compound being more nucleophilic predominantly undergo 1,2 addition to alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compound where Grignard reagent give mainly 1,4 addition product. For example, benzyl acetone react with alkyl methyl lithium in the presence of hexane give 1,2 addition product on further hydrolysis give 2-methyl 4-phenyl but 3-in-2-ol. Second, benzyl acetone react with CH3 give 1,4 addition product on further hydrolysis give 4-phenyl pent 2-on. Thank you.